Okay, so I just completed the installation for the VSYSTO Q3D, I think. This is the control unit. This is the main unit, hidden over here. It's a quick release also, actually. Some Velcro straps. Wiring. It's a dedicated GPS, dedicated Wi-Fi antenna. Extra wiring, just bundle it up. The box there is the power supply unit for the dashcam. Route the cables neatly with cable ties. The front. So as I said, this is the main unit. Sorry, this is the control unit. And my camera I mounted like this. This is mounted on a fake quad lock with a soft mount to reduce the vibration. Hopefully, we'll see how it goes. The camera unit is quite big, and the GPS unit over here, all routed very neatly. Back camera. Also, this camera got a very interesting feature. There is a parking mode. So you have a negative terminal, you also have a direct positive terminal, and you have the signal wire which powers this power unit. And when the power unit detects shock, you can see it turn on the blue light. It actually turns on the dash cam and it starts recording. So in case someone knocks over your bike or something, hopefully you can get the more details about it. So we'll try to turn it on. Okay, so I set it to TPMS mode. So now it's showing the tire pressure. So this dashcam also has a TPMS, front and back. Okay, it's blinking like this, means it's recording. Oh, now it's not recording, it's recording. Okay, let's go through. Set the tire pressure warning. So very convenient, you can go through all the settings through this unit. Parking mode, standard mode. Not sure what's this movie off time. 15 minutes, no idea. TPMS. Press and hold to exit. So yeah, there's another button down here. This is for the emergency recording function. So yeah, that's about it. Blue light lights up when it's operating. Okay, tomorrow shall go for a ride to test out the camera. Hopefully this solves the vibration issues.